What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So the wait for the Pixel 7 Pro is finally over, as not officially but unofficially there's a leaked video of the unboxing of the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and it shows all the aspects and the angles of the smartphone for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Well, if it was for another smartphone then we would not have considered it, but since it's a Google smartphone, so it's very possible that this is the alleged Google Pixel 7 Pro. So let's get started. So very first thing which you can see is the box is similar towards the previous generation of the Google smartphone, which is the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, and you don't get a charger in the box, and it's a curved display, so it's the 7 Pro. And what you also get with this smartphone is the thinner bezels at the top and bottom. The camera design looks familiar as per the leaks, with a triple camera setup, and this time you will also be getting a periscopic camera too. Well, apart from that, you also get a charging cable inside the box and Type C to Type C, and you also get a converter of Type A to Type C too. Apart from that, there is some documentation in the smartphone box, and that's a whole wrap up the phone. And you also be getting a new Google Tensor chipset inside this phone, and this will be $1,000 phones from Google itself. Well, let's see how does it actually holds on with this smartphone, and overall what do you think about this smartphone too. Well, I was too excited for the Google Pixel 7 Pro, but since it's officially comes earlier than officially announcement, so what do you think about this smartphone and the leaks of the Google Pixel 7 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also right now in India there is a huge sale going on, the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and the Amazon Great Indian Festival. So if you're planning to buy a smartphone under any budget, then do consider subscribing to our channel and check it out. The links in the description below too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.